TiMaths is easy.
Show that the area ADOE will equal to this one. So AC and AB will be the common tangent of the circle O from point A. So we will have a property that this one equal to this one, and we can split it, divide in half, and this one. So this one is alpha. Okay, so let's consider a right triangle AEO. We have that tan of alpha will equal to the opposite, which is R, divided by the adjacent, which is AE. So from that, AE will be R divided by the tan of alpha. So the area of AEOD will be twice the area of the triangle AEO. So it will be 2 multiplied with 1/2, multiplied with R, and multiply with AE, which is R over tan alpha. So simplify, this one become R squared. So R squared over tan of alpha. Next, B. Find the angle DOE. So DOE is this angle. In terms of alpha, we know that the total area in here is 360 or 2 pi. So it will be 2 pi minus 90 degrees is pi over 2 minus pi over 2 and minus 2 alpha. This will be pi minus 2 alpha. Hence, find an expression of the area R. So to find the shaded area, we get the area of AEOD and minus this sector area. So it will be R squared over tan alpha minus the center angle, which is pi minus 2 alpha divided by 2 pi and multiply with pi R squared. You can simplify, and it will be R squared over tan alpha minus R squared multiplied with pi minus 2 alpha over 2. Okay, C. Phi alpha, so that the shaded area equal to the area of the circle. So this one will equal to the area of this circle, which is pi R squared, and every term have R squared, so I can simplify. And then I move this one to the right side. So I move this one to the right side, minus pi equals 0. And I push this function into a GDC and find the x-intercept. So alpha will nearly 0.219 radian. Question 9. A normal distribution with the mean 42 and the standard deviation 10.7. A. Find a probability that's more than 40. So it should be the CDF bigger than 40. It's nearly 0.574. B. They asked more than 40. Find the probability that the fourth. Okay, so the first three will work less than 40, and the last one must work more than 40. So the probability of the first three less than 40 will be 1 minus 0.574 cubed, and multiply with the last one who works more than 40 hours. So multiply with 0.574, and we have is nearly 0.0444. C. Okay, given that more than 40 and ask for less than 55. So probability of less than 55 given more than 40. So it will be the probability of between 40 and 55 over the probability of works more than 40, which is 0.574. So it will be 0.46194 divided by 0.574, which is nearly 0.805. D. Okay, we should draw a bell curve first. Okay, so the mean here is 42. Let's say this is A and this will be B. Okay, between A and B, so this much is 0.904. The probability of bigger than B is twice the probability of smaller than A. I will call this one X. So this means this is 2X. The total probability will be 1. So I have 0.904 plus 3X equal to 1. From that, X will be 4 over 125. They ask us to find the maximum time so that employee can consider a part-time job. So we must find the value of A. The error here is 4/125, and I use inverse norm with this area, and it will be left tail. So the z-score will be negative 1.85218 equal with A minus the mean, which is 42, over the standard deviation, 10.7. So from that, I will nearly 22.2. And we are done.